What are you gonna do, Talia?
I'm gonna run outside in the rain.
Fuck yeah, let's do this. Let's go.
Oh my god, oh my god.
It's raining! Woo! Woo! It's raining! Oh, it stopped raining!
Stop raining! What happened?
What a bust.
What a bust. It just rained really intensely for like 10 seconds and then it stopped.
Yeah, and then it stopped raining.
Aw.
Oh well,
Okay.
that was disappointing.
We probably woke up everyone.
I know.
Sorry. Now what? We didn't even get to the end of the street.
I don't know, we just go to sleep.
Dude, did you get your iPhone wet, dude?
No. No, it only rained for like, I don't know,
3 seconds.
a couple seconds
I
and
didn't get that wet.
I don't know.